Hello everyone, I am Dr. Manoj Bachcha, Plastic and Cosmetic Surgeon at Elite Cosmetic Surgery Center, Nasik, Maharashtra. Today I am going to discuss about liposuction surgery. Today we are going to see what is actually liposuction surgery means, what we do in the liposuction surgery, in whom it is beneficial to go ahead with liposuction surgery, what is the post-operative care, and what are the results that we are expecting from this procedure. So let's start. Basically, what is liposuction surgery? Liposuction surgery, or in simple terms fat reduction, means taking out excess or stubborn fat from various parts of the body. So basically the most common misnomer that is the patient has, that I want to do a weight loss and can you do the liposuction surgery for me. So basically liposuction surgery is not a weight reduction surgery, but it is the surgery for the reshaping or the inch loss, not the weight loss. It causes the body, it helps in contouring the body parts, and it causes the inch loss of the person. It doesn't help in actual the weight loss. So who are the candidates suitable for the liposuction surgery? Who has done the diet and exercise and there is still some stubborn fat that is remaining in the specific areas of the body. These are the ideal candidates for the liposuction surgery. In male, the most common part for the liposuction is the chest, that is for the gynecomastia, followed by abdomen. In females, the most common area what we do in liposuction is the abdomen, followed by the flanks or the side of the abdomen, what we in simple terms we call it love handle. Then the thighs, also liposuction can be done for the upper and the lower back and the buttocks area. Then the less commonly performed areas are again for the double chin and the arm. So these are the areas which can be dealt with the liposuction to remove the stubborn fat from these various areas to give the nice shape and contour to the body. So how does the liposuction surgery is performed? Basically, as the name suggests, lipo meaning the fat, suction meaning to taking out the fat. So basically the excess fat is taken out using there are various methods for liposuction, such as suction assisted liposuction, power assisted liposuction, laser liposuction using ultrasound energy, or laser using laser energy. So these are the various methods, but the basic principle remains the same, that is liquefaction of the fat and taking out the fat using the machine or a suction device. So basically this procedure is a daycare procedure in majority of the cases, and if the area of the liposuction is very large or the amount is very high, then we can need a 1 day of admission at max. So it is done under either regional anesthesia or general anesthesia, depending on which area we are going to perform the procedure. Only a small stab incision is performed, around 3 to 4 millimeter of the incision, and a specialized cannula is inserted, and the fluid is infiltrated, the fat is liquefied, and it is sucked out with a special suction device. And once the procedure is performed, the patient is in the post-operative period. Patient is given a pressure garment, that is a tight garment that is to be worn by the patient. It helps to maintain the curves. Also, it reduces the fluid formation between the skin and the underlying muscle. So this is the post-operative care. Usually the patient is mobilized on the same day of the surgery, and he can join his routine activities or the routine work after 2 to 3 days. So basically it is a pretty safe surgery. It can be done as I told you, it is done in a daycare setup. You can get a nice curves or body contouring can be performed definitely with the this liposuction procedure. Basically, you can definitely go ahead with the liposuction surgery if you want to remove the excess stubborn fat. It definitely helps to remove the fat which is not going away easily with the diet and the exercise part. Thank you.